Hello and welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a brand new 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 Crew Cab Denali Short Box 4x4 in satin steel metallic. Some of the features included in your brand new Sierra 1500 Denali is seat memory, power folding and power adjustable side mirrors, towing, 4x4, automatic headlights with fog lights, cargo area lighting, and automatic high beams, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, Bluetooth ready, phone and media, hands-free steering wheel controls, universal home remote, rear view mirror camera, AM, FM and Sirius XM radio, OnStar, navigation, surround vision, dual zone climate control, AC, heated and cooled front seats, park assist, wireless charging, cloth floor mats, leather interior, power sliding sunroof, power sliding rear window, box liner, MULTIPRO tailgate, and enough space to comfortably seat 5 with room for storage. So don't miss out on your brand new, luxurious Sierra 1500 Denali. Hurry in to Davis Chevrolet and book a test drive with one of our product specialists today.